So I was tired of cleaning spoon rest, so I decided to make this attachment that goes onto the end of the handle of the pan. You just slide your spatula or other utensil right there, and it stays in place. You can see here, you can move it around quite a bit. It doesn't come loose. It's not even fastened on, it's just a friction fit. It's not even that much friction, just a little bit. Basically just works off of the spatula, goes on there, gets wedged on the back there. It's causing a moment that's causing the whole thing just to tilt this way, which is keeping it in place. Okay, so here it is in use. Simply pick it up. Scramble your eggs a bit. And if you want to let it sit for a while, you just put it back right there. I mean, heat-wise, it's not getting that hot. I don't think it's going to be a risk of melting the utensil or anything. So I think it'll work. Then as far as clearance goes, you can see here there's a decent amount of clearance there. It doesn't touch the pan there. And just to measure it, we got about maybe 2 3/8 inches above the pan here. Here it is up close. It's super simple. It's basically just a post with a flared edge to make it so it can't go through the hole of the pan. And just kind of goes in the slot. Did a chamfer up top to make it so it's easier to slide in and out. Super simple. A few things worth mentioning. This is PLA, but it's so far away from the flame, I don't think it'll be a problem. The melting temperature of PLA is pretty low. It's also, I'm not going to share this just because I don't want to be liable. I haven't time tested this yet. Also, it only really works for this spatula and this pan. I guess there are multiple of these type, but it's kind of single purpose, so you probably would have to design your own. I just wanted to share this, just an idea. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. It really helps out the channel if you do. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.